Roblox has been advertising this User Ads Backstage Pass, and I got it for free today. The link to the pass is in the description of the video in case you want to get one for yourself. But here's the big question. How do we use this pass? In case you're wondering, I'm currently inside Pebble Heaven, the next chapter. It's a brand new game that I'm working on together with the iGamer. We're more than halfway done, so we should expect this game to be released pretty soon. It's really gonna be an awesome game. If you love Pebble Heaven, you'll love Pebble Heaven, the next chapter, even more. Everything is completely redesigned, and it still has that classic Pebble Heaven feel to it. Now back to the pass. You can see I'm wearing the pass right here, and on the pass it says, "Your ad here." But it doesn't come with any instructions on how to put the ad there. So if anyone out there knows how to use this pass, can you help us out? We want to know how to put an ad there on the pass. And if you can help us out, we would really appreciate it. Another item from Roblox that I also got for free today is this Living Art User Ads. So here you can see the User Ads Backstage Pass. That is the necklace that I showed you earlier. And here is the other item. So let me now use this other item and let's go back to the game, and I'm going to show you this Living Art User Ads. Alright, so here we are back inside the game, and you can see I'm wearing the Living Art User Ads, and this is how it looks like. It looks like somebody hit me over the head with this picture frame. Now this one also did not come with instructions on how to put the ad there, but my guess is if we know how to put the ad on the other one, on the necklace, we can figure out how to put the ad on this picture frame. Again, if anybody out there knows how to do it, please let us know. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. We'll see you again in our next video. Take care everyone, peace.